Dear students, welcome in chemistry classes. I Indramal Prajapat PGT Chemistry. Today we are going to study about solution. Chapter number 2, NCERT textbook class 12. In this chapter we will discuss about solution, type of solution, concentration unit, solubility of solid and gas in liquid, vapor pressure of solid solution, ideal and non-ideal solution, colligative properties like relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression of freezing point, and osmosis and osmotic pressure. Dear student, today I will discuss about solutions and type of solutions. Now, what is solutions? Solutions are homogeneous mixture of two or more than two component is called solutions. Solution contain two component, solute and solvent. Solvent generally the component that is present in large quantity is known as solvent, and solvent determine the physical state in which solution exists. Solute one or more components present in the solution other than solvent are called solutes. Generally, solute present in small quantity. Overall, solution has two components, solute plus solvent. Now, next, what is binary solution? The solution which contain two components, solvent and solute, that is called binary solution. Now, type of solution depend upon physical state. Solutions are categorized in three types. Gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution. I will take first gaseous solution. In this solution, we will take solvent as a gas. Now, if gas dissolve in gas, the solution will gas in gas. For example, mixture of oxygen and nitrogen gas. If the solute is liquid, dissolve in gas, the type of solution is liquid in gas. Example, chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. This is the example of liquid in gas. Now third is, if solid present in gas, that solution will solid in gas. Example is camphor in nitrogen gas, because camphor is a solid substance. Now second type of solution is liquid solution. In this solution, solvent taken as liquid. Now, if gas dissolve in liquid, the type of solution will gas in liquid. Example of this solution is oxygen dissolve in water. Now, if liquid dissolve in liquid, the type of solution will liquid in liquid. Example is ethanol dissolve in water. Now third, if solid dissolve in liquid, the solution will solid in liquid. For example, glucose dissolve in water, salt dissolve in water. This is the example of solid in liquid. Now next, solid solution. In solid solution, solvents are taken as solid. Now if gas dissolve in solid, the solution will gas in solid. Example of this type of solution is solution of hydrogen in palladium. Now if liquid dissolve in solid, the type of solution will liquid in solution. Example, amalgam of mercury with sodium, that is also called amalgam. Sodium amalgam, mercury amalgam. And lastly, solid dissolve in solid, the type of solution will solid in solid. Example, copper dissolve in gold. All alloys are the type of solid in solid solutions. They are solid. So there are 9 types of solutions: gas in gas, liquid in gas, solid in gas, gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid, gas in solid, liquid in solid, and solid in solids. So there are 9 types of solutions. Thank you.